You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on sharing and embedding your projects. After publishing your project, you can share it with a link or embed it on your website. You can do this by simply going to the Share and Embed tab on the top menu. As a side note, you can only do this once your project is actually published. And here you're met with plenty of options. You could simply just copy the project URL, or copy the shortened version of your project URL. And you could also customize this URL by going to the Configure tab on the top side of your screen. And under Project URL, you could make it your own. And it is as easy as typing it in and clicking Update Settings. And as you can see, it now shows up right here in your project URL. Next, you can share your project directly through some of the most popular social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Telegram, WhatsApp, Buffer, or by clicking the last icon, you can generate a QR code. Just to show you how it would look like to share it through, for example, LinkedIn, you simply click the icon, wait a few seconds, and it automatically starts creating a clickable post for you on LinkedIn. You could also share your project by inviting your contact list through email. Note, for this, a basic plan or higher is necessary. You can do this on the right side of your screen by clicking Compose Email. And here you simply write out the email step by step and send it to your contacts. Finally, if you don't just want to share a link, you could also easily embed the project on your website. There are a few different ways how you can set up your embed, and depending on how you do it, we will give you a custom HTML code which you can easily copy and paste and use for your website. And let's see how the embeds actually look like. Let me click on Standard first, and then I could choose whichever type works for me the best. A full page, a pop-up, I could launch the pop-up. Here I could even change the behavior of the pop-up. So for example, it would show up on the button click just like it did right now, or after the page loads, after a little bit of a time delay. I could select the pop-up size, whatever works for me the most. I could even choose a different loading background color. As you can see, it is very customizable. You could even make it into a chat button, choose a custom icon, and again, further customize it with different options. When you preview this, you could either preview it on desktop, which is what we're doing right now, or you could preview it on the tablet by clicking the tablet icon, or on the phone by clicking the phone icon. And here you have further customization options such as minimum height and width that you can play around with in order for your project to look the best on every single device. Once you're happy with the choices that you've made, you can click on Get Embed Code, and just like that, you can copy the code and paste it into your project's HTML where you want your Involve Me project to appear. And just like that, you know how to share and embed projects within Involve Me. For more support, go to help.involve.me. And good luck getting involved.